The year 2021 was a milestone year for several altcoins. Many altcoins skyrocketed due to a confluence of factors. One such coin which made headlines in the market with currency, its overall performance was THORChain's RUNE. And the crypto space welcomes such coins which can adapt to the rapidly varying market conditions. THORChain has shown such behavior to adapt quickly to market volatility, carrying various services in its bag. THORChain, built on Cosmos SDK, which keeps the network safe from possible hacks. RUNE is the native token of the platform. The network is not profit-oriented. Fees generated by the protocol will be incentivized by simply holding RUNE. Amazed by the benefits that THORChain offers to its token holders. Look no further, as this write-up will illustrate the feasible price predictions for 2023 and the years to come. The statistics are from press time, and the RUNE price was seen trading in a consolidated range between $1,710 and $2 for a period, following which the price lost momentum and broke down. The price then traded in a closed range between $1.494 and $1.71 for over a week. After this, the market experienced a massive price action, resulting in the coin breaking out of its important level with $2,410. The price continued to gain value and broke out of multiple levels at $2.785 and $3,030. The price was then rejected at $3,420 and has been hovering close to it since. The MACD displays a constant green histogram indicating a massive ongoing price action for the coin. Further, the averages show a rise in the chart, suggesting the price to continue gaining value in the coming days. And if the bulls gain power and break out a resistance level at $3.04, the price will make a run to test its upper resistance level at $3.60 soon. Further, if the market continues to hold the price at that level, it will continue to rise and test its resistance level at $4 in the coming time. And conversely, if the bears overpowered the bulls, the price will lose momentum and fall to test its support level at $3,030. Moreover, if the bears continue to dominate the closed market, they will fall further and test their lower support level of $2,785 this month. And the THORChain price was seen trading in a consolidated range for a brief period, following which the price displayed significant price volatility. The price struggled to break out its important resistance level at $2, as the bulls constantly failed to hold power, indicating a strong bearish influence in the market. Against following the market pump, the price gained massive momentum and broke out of its resistance level at $2, after which the bulls lost power and the price plunged. The coin recently made another attempt and successfully managed to break out of it, resulting in the price gaining value and breaking out of multiple resistance levels. The MACD displays a rising green histogram indicating the price undergoing a massive price action presently. Further, the averages show a sharp rise in chart, suggesting the price to continue gaining significant value in the coming time. With many updates underway and provided favorable market conditions, the price could skyrocket to $6.82 by 2023. And however, if bears rule the market, then the price could plunge below $2.57. And with average buying and selling pressures, the price might trade around $4.64 by the year's end. If the crew behind THORChain releases vital updates and announces major collaborations, the price of RUNE holds the potential to shoot to a maximum of $8.47, amidst Bitcoins having that time a maximum of various common meters. Contrarily, if the protocol fails to commit to its expectations, could call for liquidation, which could knock the price down to $5.99. Successively, the average price can settle at $7.23. RUNE is more of a community-driven network, which might put the bulls on the cards for the altcoin. In the coming years, if it manages to maintain a similar technology, it can move at decent figures, even though there's not much development poised. By the end of the next 5 years, RUNE might trade at a maximum of 1165. A major concern about the network is the liquidity, and if investors fail to keep up the levels, it might even end up getting delisted from permanent exchanges. In such conditions, with THUD, the token price might knock out at $7.38. Consequently, the price could settle at $9.51 if the network does not come across any major impetus. According to forecast prices and technical analysis, THORChain's price is projected to reach a minimum of $11.21 in 2026. The maximum price could hit $14.93, with an average trading price around $13.07. Looking forward to 2027, RUNE's price is expected to reach a low of $13.86, with a high of $17.38 and an average forecast price of $15.62. In 2028, the price of a single THORChain is anticipated to reach a minimum of $16.66, with a maximum of $20.19 and an average price of $18.42. And by 2029, RUNE's price is predicted to reach a minimum of $19.74, with the potential to hit a maximum of $24.86 and an average of $22.30. In 2030, THORChain is predicted to touch its lowest price at $22.14, hitting a high of $29.22 and an average price of $25.68, allowing people personally to re-see the features of their system and the people in all of our videos overall that so far. And what it means that is a sign of, again, my sign up is built by essentially the average targets set by the respective firms, and THORChain has been performing with rapid bulls for quite some time with joke currency fanfare. With the introduction of new technologies, RUNE's price is expected to reach new highs. An increase in FOMO equals to increase in surge levels. According to Coinpedia's formulated THORChain price prediction, if the above scenario arises, then RUNE might hit maximums and newly peak at $6.82 by the end of the year. Any new regulations from the country can stake the coin's future. Also, if the social background for the coin disperses, then the price can entangle into a bearish hook and might even fall to $2.57. As per the reports, THORChain has no founder, no CEO, and no directors. The development measures will be taken care of by GitLab, an official Twitter handle of THORChain, and stated that self-organized developers work through GitLab and know better what to build. Initially, the THORChain platform was funded via an initial DEX offering, which launched with the Binance DEX in July 2019. Its mainnet was launched in January 2021, but a multi-chains upgrade is currently scheduled for 2021. The Bifrost protocol enables interoperability between chains. Interoperability acts as the basics of the ecosystem, without which the entire ecosystem will fail. BFT confirms the trust and security of all the platform and avoids double spending and other malicious behaviors. THORChain solves blockchain scalability issues via the Yggdrasil protocol. ACR protocol serves as the government's token. It ensures a cost-effective on-chain governance mechanism. And imagine they're cryptocurrency animals. You don't need it because there's sading moving for your process in the animals. But also, sading cryptocurrency assets is paying for the process. Moreover, the network allows traders to swap crypto assets in a permissionless way without the use of order books to source liquidity. And the THORChain ecosystem has its own native token, RUNE. The token is available across multiple blockchains, including Ethereum as an ERC20 token and Binance Chain as a BEP20 token. Basically, THORChain is a proof-of-stake blockchain aimed to serve basically four important functions within the network's ecosystem: security, governance, rewards, and liquidity. Network validators stake RUNE to ensure the security of the network. In the liquidity pools, every token is bonded to RUNE, which creates the required liquidity to conduct swaps. Liquidity providers and validators can claim their rewards in the form of RUNE tokens. In addition to this, the THORChain platform allows the traders to govern their assets without any middleman and without extra charges. Although the coin was found in 2019, it never saw a considerable price rise and remained negligible until November 2020. After being listed by renowned exchanges by December 2020, it reached its first price of about 1.0315 and surged quickly to $2 by January 1st, 2021. RUNE started trading at 1.366 and spiked by 400%, reaching $4.66 by mid-March. With huge price gains in the month of April, the price skyrocketed to ATH $20.31 the 18th of May 2020 as a result of the market collapse on May 19th. The price dropped at the same rate, plunging back to $383 by 25th July. The RUNE price regained positive momentum in late July. With a continued uptrend, the price traded around $7.46 until the end of September. RUNE almost doubled in its price, from just $7 to $15 on November 2nd. And, as the bears started to dominate the market from November, RUNE's price ended up trading at $6 by the end of 2021. So THORChain's 2022 trade had begun with sensible gains and a price tag of $6,786. Now, a surge until the 5th of January took the price to $8,208, but a downswing took the price to $5 or $791 by the 11th of January. After hovering closer to the levels until the 4th of February, a leg up helped the price breach $5,008 by the 8th of February. But FUD in the business prevailing from geopolitical tensions, amongst others, led to the monthly closure at $3.752. The second quarter was a rough thoroughfare for THORChain, as it was for a majority of crypto assets in the business. The altcoin had a steep fall in Q2. It had lost over 88% of its gains. Coinpedia has dedicated a team of expert analysts to cover the possible crypto price prediction and sum it all up in one place, just for you. Yes, according to the predictions, it's good to invest in THORChain. The long-term earning potential is considerably high. There's no minimum or maximum time or amount. Join and leave whenever you wish. And you can use all the wallets that support BEP2 tokens, like Atomic Wallet, Trust Wallet, Ledger Wallet with the Binance Chain app, Binance Chain Wallet, etc. The RUNE price could possibly go as high as $6.82 by the end of 2023. The highest price of RUNE could be about $11.65 by the end of 2025. With a potential surge, the price may go as high as $29.22 by the end of 2030. At the time of publishing, price of RUNE token was $3.38.